Hey Peshawar, are your solar panels working as hard as they should be? Dust and grime can slash their efficiency by a massive 30 to 35%. That's a lot of wasted sunshine and money. But don't worry, Expert Power is here to help you reclaim that lost energy. We specialize in professional solar cleaning systems designed to bring your panels back to life. Our effective cleaning solutions don't just wipe away the dirt, they restore your panel's performance up to 100%. Imagine getting the full power you paid for, day in and day out. Our goal is to maximize your investment and extend the life of your panels. This exclusive service is now available right here in Peshawar. Don't let dust rob you of clean energy. Visit us at Expert Power in Karkhano Market, Palace Shopping Plaza, shops 15 and 16. Or give us a call at 034 888 11734. Contact us today.